Hey everyone, this is Jules from Jules Garden. I get questions about how do you know when your potatoes are ready. So these are my potatoes. These are red, white, and purple potatoes, and they are almost ready. So when you know that they are ready is when all of your green and stem look like this right here. This here is ready. These are ready to be harvested, and I have these right here are ready to be harvested. However, I am trying to wait until the rest of my potatoes catch up, but I may harvest those later on this week. But here, that's how you know when your potatoes are ready to be harvested. These are greens. I'm waiting for them to die off. It's almost done, almost ready, but make sure, here are the stems, the leaves, make sure they die off like this. They are ready for you to go treasure hunting for potatoes. Have a great one. Happy gardening.